Hello and welcome to Magic AutoCAD. In this part of the tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a U-shaped staircase. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and like. Thanks very much. So let's get started. Before you start working, please make sure your workplace is switched to 3D modeling. Yeah, this is where you switch. Then I would like us to start by adjusting our unit. Unit is very important in drawing. Then we go up here under length type. Let's take decimal because I would like us to work in centimeters. Then you come under insertion scale and you change to centimeters. Then okay. Then from here, let's go to the rectangle command. Then let's move over here and we draw a rectangle. Let's type in a dimension of 90 by 22. Enter. Yeah, it might be too large, but you have to zoom, yeah, you just have to zoom. Yeah, so from here I would like us to draw another rectangle. Let's give a dimension of 90 by 24. Enter. From here, let's move to the line command. Click on the line. Then you come here. Don't click at this point. Just snap at this end point, and then you draw it a bit, and you type in 30. Enter. Then you bring it to intersection, and you click. Then you now go to offset. Then you type in an offset distance of 30. Enter, and you offset to the left. Enter. Then now let's go move to the southwest isometric view. Yeah, I would like us to turn off this grid so that you can see where. Then let's go to press pull and here we press pull at a height of 16. Enter. Sorry. And now let's give a color. Let's go type in color. Okay, let's give a blue color. Then let's go back to press pull. Then let's press pull this segment upward by 2. Enter. Then we'll press pull this one upward by 2. Enter. Now let's give another color. Let's give a red color. Okay. Then we go back to press pull. Let's press pull this one upwards by 2. Enter. Okay, I would like us to give a shade to this before continuing. So we're gonna have something like this. So I'd like us to select this line. Let's select this polyline and we delete. From here, let's create a fillet. We go under the solid panel, then we move over to fillet edge. Then let's type in a fillet radius of 1. Enter. Then click here. Enter. Enter again. We go back to fillet. A fillet radius of 1. Enter. We click here. Enter. Enter again. We go back to fillet radius 1. enter. Then we click here, enter, enter again. So here you're gonna see that these parts are still independent, so we select and we give a block, because if we give a union here, all the colors will turn to one. Okay, so we give a block, enter. Then now you'll be asked the name of the block. Let's just give it thread. Okay, thread, enter. Then now you see that it's a single unit. Then from here, let's go back to the line command, and let's draw a line from this endpoint. Draw a line towards this direction. Let's draw a line of 176. 176. Enter. Then let's take it up and draw a vertical line of 160. 160. Enter. Then let's move these two. Let's move from this lower endpoint, okay, to this upper endpoint here. Very good. So if we try to orbit, you're gonna see that we have something like that with a nosing. That's good. Then from here, let's go back to line. Then draw a line to this midpoint. Okay, bring it right to this midpoint, and you click. From here, I would like us to go to array command. Under modify, you're gonna see this array. Then click on path array. Then here you select this upper part, then enter. Then you are going to ask to follow the path. Then we select this as our path. Then from here we are going to do our grip array. Okay, so we come up here. Let me zoom so that you really see. You come up here and you grip, left click and let go your cursor, and you pull. Then you see your steps following down. Okay, so you count up to 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus the initial one. Okay, then you click. So from here, I would like us to give I like us to give color. Let's type in color, enter. Let's go back to the white color. Okay, then we move now to the rectangle command. Then let's click here and we make a rectangle of 180 by 90. Enter. Then we'll go to the press pull. Let's give a press pull of 2. Enter. Then we give another color. Let's select this color, this cyan color, and then we move to the circle. I would like us to draw a circle. You bring the circle at this midpoint. Don't click. Okay, pull it inward and you type a distance of 5. Enter. Then you give a diameter of 10. Enter. Then now you go back to circle, you come to the center, click at the center, and you give a diameter of 4. Enter. Then I would like us to select, let's select these 2 circles, and we'll move. Let's create copy outside somewhere there. Then now let's go to press pull. Let's first of all press pull this inner up and type in a distance of 86. Enter. Then we press pull this one up and type in a height of 2. Enter. Now let's go to the boolean command, select union and give a union to this. Enter. Then now let's move now to the fillet, and we type in a fillet of 2. Enter. Enter and enter again. Okay, so here we have a single unit. Now let's select and move. Let's move at the midpoint, please. Make sure it snaps at the center. Okay, then you move to this other center point. Watch very carefully. Then I'd like us to go to, let's go back home and let's go to the path array. Then you select this member, enter. Then you select this same path. Okay, so you're gonna see something of this nature. They are very much, but don't worry. You come here, let's use the grip. Let's use the grip. Okay, let's use grip array. You grip here, come here, you grip here, you click and make sure it grips and you click. Then you move it at the next midpoint and you click. So here you are. Yeah, so we're gonna have something of this nature. So from here now, I'd like us to select, let's just select all these members. Okay, let's just select all the bars and let's copy. Okay, let's create copies. Then let me zoom it so that you see so well. Then you come here and make sure you snap at the midpoint. You click, then you move it on your right and you type in 80. Enter. So you're gonna find something like this. So from here, I'd like us to create a copy. Let's move this one a bit and shift it, and we delete this as well. Then let's select all of this. Let's select all what we've done here so far. We select, including this line. Then let's go to copy and we create a copy here. From here, let's select this landing and we move. Make sure you move at, you snap at this lower end point, you snap and you move it at the tip of this point. Okay, very good. Then from here, let's go to the coordinate, we click on face. Let's click the face here so that we'll be able to move. Then I will select to position where we move. You can click anywhere on it and then you pull it horizontally and you type in 2.7, enter, so that we're going to have this point fixed. From here now, let's go to rotation command and we select all of this. Let's give a selection to all of this, enter. Let me zoom so that you see well. Then here you're going to see this horizontal ellipse. You click on this horizontal ellipse, then you pull it to 180 and you click. Let's orbit. Let's try to orbit. Here we can orbit and put it here. Now let's select everything from here and we'll give a move. Let's move from this lower endpoint to this endpoint as well, so that we'll have something like this. Very good. Now let's go back to the wall UCS. Then we go back home. Okay, let's try and put it to parallel to see what. From here, I would like us to select one of these steps. Select this step and including the handrail. Okay, and we copy. Let's create a copy in order to look for midpoint. Just copy from this end point and we click at this upper end point. Then from here, I would like us to try and orbit. Let's orbit like this. Then let's move over here. We select to create copy. We select this the same way we did the other way. Then you copy from this end point, zoom so that you see copy from here, and you click at this other end point. Yeah, zoom very well. Okay, you click there. From here we select these two, including these two standing bars, and let's create copy. Let's move from this endpoint to this other endpoint. Escape. Now like us now to select this ones and we delete. Then so here you see that they are suspended. Okay, these standing bars are suspended, so we're going to select to move them down to their right position. So we select and then we go to move, then you click anywhere, you move downwards and you type in 2 so that they will take their right positions. Very good. Then from here you can copy, you can create copy. Select this one, and you copy from the midpoint and you bring it to this midpoint. then you're gonna track the midpoint here and you click. Let's orbit a bit, then you select this one again, then you copy, click at the midpoint, then you pull it this way and you type in 45, enter, type in again 90, enter, type it again 135, enter. Okay, so let's orbit this way. Let's put it at this position. I'd like us to go to the coordinate and bring the UCS in place here. Enter. Now let's go to the line command. Line, and you click at the center point of this pole. You bring it down, right down here. You click, then you move it over to here. You click, you move it over to this N1. You click, you move it over here. You click, and then you take it right down, and you click on this one. Enter again to activate the line. You start from here, move right up to here, and we click, move to the next one, and you click, and you come right up here to click, enter. Let's try an orbit. From here, I'd like us to select all these lines. Let's select all the lines we just made, and we'll give a join, J for join, enter. Then from here, let's select this line to move it down. So let's create a copy. Make sure you copy at the center point, move it down to the midpoint. Then we're going to do same with this one. You select and you create a copy from the center point down to midpoint, and you click. So from here, now let's go back to the circle, and let's make a circle here, a circle of diameter of 6, enter. Let's select the circle and we create copies. We move from the center, we click here. So I'd like us to, let's put this to wireframe. We go to visually and put to 2D wireframe. Let's draw another circle. Let's make this one a diameter of 3, enter. And let's copy the circle and bring to this point. Now let's use the extrude command. Go to extrude. Let's start with this. Then you select the circle, enter. Let's follow the path This is our path, and we'll have something like that. Go back to extrude, and we select this other circle, enter. Let's follow the path, and we have that. We go to this other one, extrude, select circle, enter. Let's follow the path, then let's go to extrude, select this other circle, enter. We follow path, enter. Okay, so if you're trying to put it back to shaded, we're gonna realize something like this. So thanks very much guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.